Hey there, fashion friends. Today's episode, adding accessories to add style.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Hey, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
So why I want to talk about this today is because I do feel like accessories are such a powerful thing. It's such a little thing, but really packs a punch when it comes to styling an outfit. So Elizabeth over at roztager.com has sent me a few accessories to try out, and for me this really inspired me. What I love about Elizabeth is she is a woman after my own heart because she really focuses on things that are going to have longevity, that are unique, and just have quality. That is what she is trying to curate on her website. So I love it. So in today's episode, I'm going to talk about different accessories and how they can impact a very basic look. Okay, so let's get started. The first type of accessory that we are going to look at is socks. I've definitely gotten a lot of inquiries about socks. A lot of people just don't realize how impactful a pair of socks can be. And it's definitely an opportunity lost, I always say. So if you look at this basic outfit with just like a basic pair of socks, but then take this same basic look and add a pop of sock, add a pop of color or a pop of print with a pair of socks, then it completely transforms the outfit. Now, obviously, whatever type of shoe you're also pairing with those socks makes a big difference. Even when I'm wearing a pair of pants or something where it's covering up my sock, I still love to wear a fun sock because then it's even just that fun little surprise. Like if you sit down and maybe you cross your leg and you know the pant hem rides up, it's always kind of a fun little, little revealing surprise. So I don't know, I'm all about those just little details that I just do feel like it makes a difference. So the sock that I am styling here today from Roztager is the Bon Maison sock, which is made in France, and it's actually double thread knitted from Egyptian cotton. Yes. And anybody that tells you that, it doesn't really matter when that material doesn't really matter, tell that to your feet. All right, number 2. We're looking at earrings. I will say I go back and forth with the earrings. Like sometimes I love earrings. Sometimes I feel like earrings are kind of distracting, but I will say if you have like a nice, just streamlined, neutral colored sort of basic outfit, earrings can just add that. So obviously there's all these different types of earrings that you can get. There's always, certain earrings that are on trend. I have to say my favorite type of earring is the sort of understated earring. And what I mean by that is an earring that, again, that's small and understated, but packs a punch. The earring that I'm styling today from Roztager is Percent Jewelry's Rock Crystal Drop Earrings. These are 24 karat gold over sterling silver with a rock crystal, and these are actually handmade. Now, what pulled me in with these and what I love about these type of earrings is that they're not this like in your face type of earring. They're just very simple and beautiful. You could have the most boring basic look, and if you just add these earrings as your showpiece, it's like effortless elevated style instantly in a very, like I said, understated way. Okay, number 3 is rings. I have my, sort of timeless go-to rings that I have. I would say I'm on a regular basis. I'm wearing rings that mean a lot to me, but every once in a while I want to shake it up with a good old statement ring, because I do feel like statement rings pack such a punch when it comes to style. It's such a little thing that makes such a difference. Now, when it comes to statement rings, again, I'm one that prides myself on, I like to find things that don't really remind me of anything else, that I don't see on a regular basis. So, Elizabeth, again, you've done it. You found it with the brand Jane Dearnsburg. They've done a bunch of different things with glass. obsessed. So the ring that I chose was the clear glass orb ring. This is handmade in Brooklyn out of borosilicate glass, which is just a great glass for things that you want to have some good durability. They can withstand a lot of different types of temperatures. Yeah, it's just gonna hold up. It's not like your normal glass. Okay, number 4, scarves. So scarves, what I love about them is they can be so transformative. Depending on the type of scarf you get, you can use it for so many different types of things. If it's a large, square scarf, you can maybe, put it on your head, tie it a bunch of different ways on your neck. Maybe you're going to the beach and you just want to like a little sarong, tie it around your waist. For me today, what I'm styling is the Lot 99 silk tie scarf. And what I love about this scarf is that you can use it for multiple different things. So the obvious, wearing it around your neck, but as well as that, you could use it as a belt, cool statement bracelet, as a head wrap, you could, as a headband, or you could just tie it around your bag, add a little zhuzh to your bags. Yeah, so I just feel like there's so many different things you can get out of this. So the functionality for me is amazing, is just key. And you know how I love functionality. This is handmade in LA with 100% silk. Whoopsies. Whoops, oh well, I'll just leave it. This is 58 inches long. I've got this wrapped around my neck 3 times so you can kind of see the length there. For me, I think that the tie scarves are a great go-to for this season and very French. I love my French stuff. So there we go, 4 different types of accessories to really be able to transform those basic looks, those basic outfits. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you haven't checked out roztager.com, definitely do so. I've got a link below for 15% off. So you can click that and get a little discount from your buddy, Emily. All right, you have a great rest of your day and we will be chatting soon. Bye. Bye.